Good morning. I'll show you the progress on our investor reno. So first coat of paint is completed to all the walls and final touch-ups completed. All the ceilings have been painted. There's some minor touch-ups on the ceilings to complete. All the nice lighting is installed. Plugs and switches are installed. All the subfloor has been completed. So we are getting into the finishing stages. Not a squeak in any of the floors compared to the way it was before. This is our kitchen. We're going to get into reinstalling some cabinets, and then we're going to put some uppers, new uppers on the wall. And we started our floor install yesterday. So we got our nice new vinyl installed. And once the vinyl's installed, we will get into doing all the trim work indoors and then completing our final paint and of course cabinetry. And then we will get into the finishing touches. This is our shower, and this is a laundry area that we created. The bathroom's been extended. And a lot of these light features are really cool. They've got night light feature to them, so pretty happy about that. First time using these lights, but they look super nice. The bedrooms have a similar type of dimming feature. So stay tuned and follow along for more, and check out our finished product, which is going to be spectacular.